Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Dell P48E. Today, we will cover essential steps to ensure your device runs smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloths, and thermal paste. These tools are crucial for effective maintenance. Begin by powering off your Dell P48E and unplugging it from the wall. Safety first. Next, remove the screws located on the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, as they can be easily misplaced. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel off. This exposes the internal components, allowing you to clean and maintain them. Using your can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust or debris from the fans and vents. This is vital for preventing overheating and ensuring optimal airflow. If you notice significant dust buildup, consider using a microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces gently. This will not only keep your device clean but also improve its overall performance. Now, let's move on to the thermal paste. If you've been experiencing overheating issues, it may be time to replace the thermal paste on your CPU. Carefully remove the heatsink by unscrewing it from its mount. You will see the old thermal paste, which should be cleaned off with a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste evenly on the CPU before reattaching the heatsink. If you're not comfortable performing these tasks yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess your device's condition and provide recommendations tailored to your needs. After cleaning and applying new thermal paste, reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws. Ensure all screws are tightened but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dell P48E and power it on. Monitor the device for any unusual sounds or performance issues. In case you encounter difficulties or lack the necessary tools, no worries. We provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to deal with transportation or phone calls, we handle everything for you. Just schedule a service, and we will come to you. Lastly, if you are considering repairs, we always provide a quote before repair. This way, you can make informed decisions without any surprises. In summary, maintaining your Dell P48E involves proper cleaning, tool preparation, and, if needed, professional help. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your device and keep it running efficiently. Thank you for following along with our maintenance guide. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.